spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom manufactured home located outside of Gaston, NC. Home is situated on 1 acres plus lash of land with an additional 1 acres plus lash across the path. Master bedroom has spacious garden tub, walk-in shower, double vanities, plenty of storage and very large walk-in closet. Recently painted wall ceilings, recently installed carpet, laminated wood flooring, vinyl flooring, heating and cooling system only 4 years old. The living room then features double-sided stone fireplaces, guest bath has new shower tub combination. Large open kitchen has lots of cabinet space. Washer and dryer included located in utility room. Enjoy a front porch and back deck. Home has brick and block underpinning and is located approximately 3 minutes from I-95 and is a country